Hello everyone, let's see how to replace battery of an Lenovo Thinkpad E450 laptop or a notebook. After turning the laptop upside down, remove this compartment door, that is hard disk and RAM compartment door. Open it in this way. There are locks here. Okay. After removing it, this is the battery connector. Just remove it gently. Okay. Now go on removing all the screws. These two also we need to remove for removing the hard disk. Push it back here in this way to the side. These are the round headed screw for keyboard. Remove all the screws. Push the keyboard inside. There is no need of the tool for removing it. Push it inside, then pull it up this way. Pull it towards yourself. Just remove these two connectors here. This is the keyboard. Then okay, and one more below. This one is for trackpad. We need to remove these screws now. Just cross check whether you have disconnected the battery. Actually, I think once the laptop has been removed, because this screw should be on the top but it is inside. Someone might have, some technician has removed it maybe. Let's see. Remove all these connectors. This is just, here comes, this one is for touchpad. Let's see whether any screws are holding here. No, there is a lock here. Remove it. Okay. After removing the top cover, just disconnect this indicator light. Unscrew. Remove these three screws. I'll show you. 1, 2. This screw is a little bit lengthier than the other. And here three screws which come out, and the fan one. Just unscrew them. Remove the board gently. here in this way. Keep the PCB in this way. See that it won't fall. You should remove this speaker cable as well from the back side. I have removed it. Just remove the screws here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One is not there, but it will be there if you are opening it for first time. Just open it in this here. Take it out. This is the battery pack. The rating is 11.4 volts, 4.12 ampere hour, 47 watt hour. Take your new battery pack. Remove the battery from that. Okay. This is a new battery. Place it in this way. Seat the cable into the screw here. Put it under. If it doesn't sit, just apply a tape. Fasten only these 3 screws here, 1, 2 and 3, wherever there is a pointer of this kind. Don't insert any screw here, don't fix screws. Take this connector up, fix your PCB back in the way I am showing here. See that all these connectors fit into the particular grooves provided. One screw is lengthy, it should come here, the lengthy screw should fit here on the hard disk connector. Other one, fasten the screw for fan, connect this here. This is the notification indicator light. After fixing the battery, take this audio socket and USB port connector here. This is the PCB. Fix the PCB in this way. Fasten the screw provided for that. Insert the cable into the connector here. If you have a double-sided sticker, you just fix it. This way. Fixing it, don't put any screw here. Just press it. Disconnect these. keyboard here. Connect this, first of all, connect this trackpad. This way. Okay, see that the line is straight. This is the keyboard connector. Lock it in this way. Insert the keyboard inside on the top side first. Now press and hold it here and pull it. Next, turn your laptop upside down. Take your Wi-Fi card, fix it. Here you can see the colors, black and grey. Red color should come this way. Lock them properly. This is the speaker connector. Insert it properly. Later, take this battery connector. Insert it. Hook it. And connect the speaker here. First, we will fasten all the screws here, everything, hard disk, everything, and then we will connect the battery. Just insert the hard disk in this way, on the top side first, inserting it into the connector here, into this slot. Go on fastening the screws. the battery connector and insert it so that it locks into the notch. Here you can see a notch there. Just fix it. After fixing it, just insert your back door cover in this way, compartment door. In some cases, after inserting battery, if your laptop doesn't start, doesn't boot, and if only the LED light glows and there is no display or no response from fan, anything, what you need to do is disconnect the battery. After inserting, if it doesn't work, even if it doesn't work on adapter, just disconnect the battery. Remove this BIOS battery connector here. Short these two pins of BIOS battery. Wait for a minute or two. Insert it back, or you can check without connecting the BIOS battery. Insert it back. Insert your new battery connector, and then everything will work fine. Just tighten the screws. Hope this video is useful for you and has helped you in replacing your new battery of Lenovo E450C laptop or notebook. If this video has helped you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video, and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.